Hello, my name is Martin. I'm the co-founder of ToolTools. Today I'll be showing you how to use your JumpForce Pro on your dead battery. First of all, you have to go ahead and read the instructions. This is really important so you know how to deal with a dead battery. Then next you need to ensure that you have a 12-volt battery. It's not punctured, it's not damaged, and it's not frozen. If it is, don't try to jump start it. This is really important. Okay, so now let's get started. So now that we know that it's a 12-volt battery and it's not damaged, it's not punctured, and it's not frozen, we have to go ahead and check the JumpForce to make sure that it's fully powered, or at least 50% powered up. Now we have to go ahead and locate the plus and the minus part on the battery. Each car is different. On this car we can see that the plus one is here. This is where the red clamp is going to be placed at. And then we have the negative pole where the black clamp is going to be placed at. You can always place the black clamp on a unpainted metal part. So now we will have to go ahead and place the smart clamp onto the JumpForce so we can get started. So now we have to insert the smart clamps into the JumpForce Pro. What you do is that you remove the plugs. You put it in like this. Now it will start to blink right here. What you do is that you place it somewhere safe where it won't go into the engine bay when you start the car. Then you place the red one first on the pole. Then you go ahead and place the black one on the negative pole, and then you click start. What you will see next is that it will say boost is ready, or it will come with error codes. In the instructions guide you can read all the error codes. What you do next is that you go ahead and go into your car and you click start. And there you go. Now you go ahead and you check that it's turned off. It is now turned off. Now we take it off in the reverse way, so the black one first, then the red one, and now we are done. Your car is started and you're good to go. Have a wonderful day.